Hi, my name's Jim Rio at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, the #1 Chevy dealership in Illinois. I'm here with my customer Jonathan, who has been great. We've been working together for the last couple of days, and he came in. He was looking for a new Suburban. Found a beautiful Suburban that is. It's a Premier, but it was the color, right? The color came down. The wife liked the color, and it is sharp looking. I just want to get his input on how things went.
Fantastic. The #1 Chevy dealer for sure.
The #1. Thank you. Would you tell your family and friends to come and see us?
Absolutely.
There you go. When you hear that from the customers when they come in here, that's what it's all about. So if you happen to be in Frankfort, stop on in and ask for Jim.